BMX Bike Check 2017, still rocking the 5-year-old Kink the Outfit frame. If anybody's looking for a frame to upgrade to or to buy for a good price, you can't go wrong with Kink. Kink is a really good company. I've had this frame for over 5 years. I have not bent the frame at all whatsoever. Very few dents in the chainstay. I mean, this frame is just rock solid, and it's like less than 5 pounds, and it's 100% Japanese Sanko chromoly. So I was iffy when I first bought the frame because I didn't hear about that too much, but it's actually a really strong, light material, so I highly recommend Kink. We'll stick with what else is Kink on my bike. We have Kink human bars. They're 8.75 rise by 28.3 wide because I cut them down some. Kink lightest bar ends that I've had for like 3 years, so they're blasted down to like a gray color. And a brand new Kink Lyra tire in the back, 20 by 2.3. Alright, next I guess we'll start at the front. S&M Redneck XLT stem, Sputnic top cap, Sputnic headset with 3 spacers in there, Sputnic Spectrum forks, soon to be painted black. They're 31mm offset. Blitz complete front wheel. I've had it for over 5 years. It came with the frame, and I had it trued by Dance Bump one time, and this thing is still just rocking really strong. Spokes are really tight, so very impressed with that, how they did my wheel. I guess the drivetrain now, I got a brand new BSD Forever chain. Comes with a half link, but I do not have it on my bike right now because I like my rear end where it's at, almost slammed. I didn't need the half link, so sticking with that. Stolen Center cranks, 48 spline cranks. They're off the stock Stolen Center bike, but hey, as a heat treated spindle, and it's holding strong for me. 170mm with sealed premium pedals. These are the premium slims, plastic ones. I don't really recommend them because they're kind of expensive, and there's no place to put a wrench on the pedal itself. You have to get an Allen, a 6mm Allen to put on the inside of the crank arm to tighten your pedals, so you can't really get good leverage to tighten your pedals that tight, so my pedals are always coming loose when I'm doing fakies, and I kind of hate it, so I'm switching out my pedals very soon. 28 tooth Shadow Scream sprocket, pretty much brand new. Back to a custom wheel. This is brand new as well. I got a Division Tactical hub, 9-tooth driver, completely sealed with a heat treated driver on there. Laced to a fly treble rim with Alienation red spokes. The front tire is the Odyssey Hawk 20 by 2.4. I got like a 10-year-old Shadow Crow seat. It still has all the guts and everything, just the way I like it. Why spend money on a pivotal seat when you can make something at home, right? And I got a Stolen Bike Company seat post that was off of a Stolen Center bike a couple years ago. Integrated seat clamp with the frame. And I guess we'll do a quick hub sound. Oh yeah, and my bottom bracket is a Redline device. Redline bearings with the Stolen Center spacers on there. So we'll do a hub sound. Hub sound for the Division Tactical. Not the loudest, but so far holding strong for me. So I don't really know much about the hub, and I'm not going to say I recommend getting it, but it's lasted me a week so far. So other than that, I'll let yins know how these parts last. Oh, and I don't know if I said this yet or not, but I got the ODI super soft grips. I think I forgot to mention those, plus 2 stolen pegs that came off a stolen center bicycle with a daily grind non-drive side hub guard. Oh. '17 should be a good year. Peace.